Cuties, welcome back to our today's Selga class. Hope all are ready with your notebook, workbook, student reader, pencil, eraser, etc. Yes, before we entering our class, I want all of you to clap your hands. We just clap our hands for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good, children. Yes, today we going in our last class we saw about the grammar part. Today we going to see about a reading and listening comprehension in unit 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, we will practice reading and listening comprehension part for our EOA exam. I just want all of you to open SR 23, the page number 28 in unit 5. 3, 2, 1, 0. Practice reading all the stories on SR2, SR8, SR12, SR17. In this unit, 4 stories are given in this unit 5. You just practice reading all the stories. Find out what each story is mostly about. When you will read the story means you just want to find this. What is the story mostly about? That means what is the main idea of the story? What are the main things have to be say in this story? Just want to find the what is the story mostly about, and also read and practice new vocabulary words from SR5, SR11, SR15 and SR20. Recap all the concept pages on SR5 and 11. Now we are going to recap. You just practice read all the stories as your own in unit 5. Now we are going to practice these vocabulary words. Just want to open SR5 in unit 5. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Are you ready with your SR5? Yes, look at this vocabulary words. Trip. Repeat again. Trip. Chopsticks. Say along with me, ma. Chopsticks. Surprised. Between. Move. Pick. Let us see the next vocabulary words in SR11. In SR11, we are going to see the vocabulary words for story 2. Poster. Repeat again. Poster. Cheers. Cheers. Rush. Rush. Bump. Bump. Laugh. Laugh. Shall we move to the next one? Turn next SR15. Library. Just say along with me, ma. Library. Visit. Visit. List. List. Language. Language. Next SR20. You just pause the video and then turn your pages in SR book, ma. Awake. Awake. Thieves. Thieves. Scared. Scared. Soldier. Soldier. God. God. Okay, children. Now we are going to revise the concept. In SR5, we are going to revise this main idea and details. Every story must have a main idea, right? Main idea means what the story is mostly about. What is the main theme of the story? First, how to find the main idea of a story means there are 2 rules. Just look at the pictures and also look at the sentences and add details. Look at the picture. The main idea of this story is about a family out on a picnic. Details. We can see people sitting in a garden. We can see some snacks and drinks. We can also see some children playing in the garden. Like this, we have to find the main idea and also details. Next, SR11, we are going to revise about the making inferences. Making inference means guessing what is happening in the story by looking at the picture. First thing, look at the picture. Second thing, what is happening based on what you see. I can see the boy wearing a coat, gloves and a cap. I think it is cold outside and that is why he is wearing these clothes. Because of cold outside, he is wearing these clothes. Like this we have to making inferences by looking at the picture. Okay children, let us move on to the next unit, unit 6. In unit 6, you just open SR25 and the page number 54. Look at this, reading and listening. Practice reading all the stories on SR3, SR8, SR14 and SR19. There are 4 stories in this unit. You just read, practice all the stories as your own. Next, learn and practice new vocabulary words from SR7, 12, 17 and 22. Read and understand making predictions from SR7. Read and understand drawing conclusions from SR13. First we are going to revise these new vocabulary words. Just open SR7 in unit 6. You just pause the video and then turn this page ma. Look at this vocabulary words. World map, coconut, dreams. You just say along with me. Hot air balloon. Think. Let us see the next vocabulary words in SR12. Look at this. Next vocabulary words in SR12 ma. Traveling. Host. Repeat again. Host. Trekking. Ferry. Journal. Next SR17, page number 46. Welcome. Beach. Excited. Towel. Waves. Grey clouds. Next SR22 and the page number 51. Postcard. Note. Torch. Statue. Let us going to revise the concept time in SR7. In SR7 we just revise this making predictions. Prediction means guess what might happen next in the story. What is the thing that will happen next in the story? When we guess about what will happen next in the story means that is known as predictions. These are made based on pictures, events of the story. Events means what are the happening things, what are the things that will happen, and the information we already know. To guess which country this is, look at the picture. He then flies to a new country. He sees a long wall. Which country is this? To guess which country is this, we just use this. I know from the story that the boy was first in India. He is now in another country, so he must be close to India. I know what he is seeing in the Great Wall of China. So I can predict that the boy is in China. Like this we have to making predictions. Turn next page, SR13. The page number 42. We just recap about the drawing conclusions. How to draw conclusions. Conclusion is looking at the picture, thinking about what you already know and telling what you think is happening. They land in China. Ni hao, says their host. Looking at the picture, I know that there are in China. Someone is saying ni hao. So I can say that the people in China say ni hao to greet someone they know. Like this we have to drawing our conclusion from the story. Okay children, next we going to see reading and listening comprehension in Unit 7. Open SR 29, the page number 84 in Unit 7 ma. Read about character traits. Practice identify physical character traits by asking the questions. How does the character look? While reading different stories and using evidence from the text. Just practice the character traits from SR 7. And then read about steps to follow to guess the meaning of new words from SR 7. In this unit, we practice how to find the meaning of the new words. What are the steps we use to guess the meaning of the new words? Practice using the steps while reading different stories. When we going to read different stories means we just use these 4 steps to find the meaning of the new word. Read about sequencing events in SR 8 and practice sequencing events while you read different stories. Read about describing setting from SR 18. Practice describing setting by asking the questions what it looks like, what it sounds like and what time is it, while reading different stories and using evidence from the text. And also learn practice the vocabulary words from SR 6, 11, 14, 17, 22 and 27. Now we are going to see the vocabulary words in SR 6. Just look at the pictures and also say along with me. Plump. Plump means little fat. Enjoyed. Had fun. Enjoyed. Had fun. Disappointed. Sad. Waves. Curving of water. Sea. A large body of water. Beach. Seaside. Take next SR 11. Trek. Journey on foot, especially in the mountains. Exhausted. Very tired. Quiet. No noise. Turn next SR 14. Huge. Big. Silently. Without any noise. Dark. No light. God. A person who watches or protects. Surprised. Shocked. Memorable. Something to remember. Next SR 17. Look at the vocabulary words in SR 17. Dreams. Wish. To think of doing something someday. Climbed. Go up. Alien. From foreign country or planet. Surface. Top part of something. Amazed. To feel surprised. Engine. Machine. Next SR 22. Look at the vocabulary words in SR 22. Excited. Feel high energy. Nervous. Nervous. Easily scared. Tense. Trip. Going to a place and coming back. Yummy. Tasty. Waved. Move one's hand to say bye. Next we are going to revise how to find the meaning of the new words. With the help of these 4 steps we can find the meaning of the new words. Look at the picture. Read the sentence again. Aryan was his younger brother who was short and plump. Connect it with what you already know. Ask yourself, how is Aryan looking? What kind of physical features does he have? Guess the meaning. Finally, guess the meaning. Look at the picture and ask yourself about the Orion. Finally, we have to guess the meaning of plump. Means little fat. Like this, we have to use the 4 steps to find the meaning of the new word. Next, we are going to revise about sequencing events in SR8. How to sequencing events with the help of beginning, middle and end. When we read the story, when we have to sequence the events in the story while retelling them. We sequence the events into 3 parts: beginning, middle, end. Beginning means who are the characters, what is the setting. Who are the characters means who and all present in this story is the characters. Setting, when and where the story takes place is the setting of the story. Then middle, what happens to the character. Finally, end, how are the characters different than they were at the beginning of the story. Like this, from these 3 parts we have to sequencing events on the story. Next, we are going to revise the reading and listening comprehension in Unit 8. Just open SR 30 and the page number 115. Read about main idea from SR 5 and practice identify the main idea of the stories while you read the different stories. Read about making story. 2. Self connections from SR 10 and practice making connections while reading different stories. And also learn vocabulary words in SR 5, 9, 14, 18, 24 and 28. Just open SR 5. SR 5 on the page number 90 in Unit 8. Grumpy, bad mood, gleam, shine, dome, arch roof, walkway, a path for walking along. Next, SR 9. Nervous, easily afraid. Symbol, a mark to show something. Minaret, a tall tower. Marble, a white stone used in buildings. Courage, not being afraid. Let us see the next vocabulary words in SR 14. Crown, something worn by a king or queen. Precious, very rare. Destination, the end place of a journey. Appears, looks. Attractive, something that people want to see. Next, SR 18. Pride, feeling good about something you did. Preserve, keep safely. Just read along with me, ma. Citizen, person of a country. Tidy, neatly kept. Duty, work you must do. Litter, garbage. Next, SR 24. Airplane, a vehicle that can fly. Suitcase, a box to pack clothes in. Bored, not excited. Security, protecting. Remember, thinking of something you already know. Next, SR 28. History, the old story of people or place. Confuse, not thinking correctly. Memorial, a building to remember something. Port, place near the water where ships stop. Entrance, opening to get into a place. Next, we are going to revise about the main idea of the story, how to find the main idea of the story in SR 5 in Unit 8. Main idea, Main idea is what the story is mostly about. What is the main idea of the story means? Yes, what was the story mostly about? How when we ask the question what is the story mostly about means that is the main idea of the story. Step 1, there are 2 steps. Look at the title of the story. First we have to look at the title of the story. In this example, Raj's visit to the Golden Temple is the title of the story. Next, step 2. Look at the clue words. That means important words that are repeated in the story. What are the words repeated again and again in the story is the clue words. They reached the Golden Temple. The gleaming walkway made Raj jump with glee. The clue words are Raj, family, Golden Temple and enjoyed. Other words that are come again and again in the story, Raj visit to the Golden Temple. So that these are the clue words. Raj, family, Golden Temple and enjoyed. Main idea. Raj enjoyed his trip to the Golden Temple with his family is the main idea of the story. Then after then we have to read this detail 1, detail 2 and detail 3. Now before writing the main idea we just go through these 3. Detail 1, 2 and 3. Detail 1 is Raj and his family were going to visit the Golden Temple. Detail 2, Raj was fully awake and excited. Detail 3, Raj enjoyed his trip. These are the details from the story. Finally, we have to write the main idea. Raj enjoyed his trip to the Golden Temple with his family is the main idea of the story. Next in SR10, we are going to revise the story to self-connection. How to make self-connections of the story. Make the story to make self-connections. Story to self-connection is when you read a story and it makes you think about something similar that has happened to you. அதே மாதிரி நம்மளுக்கு நடந்திருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நினைக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் செல்ஃப் கனெக்ஷன். When I read the story Nervous Mohit, it makes me think of. Do I feel nervous talking to others? When was I nervous like Mohit? What did I do when I was nervous? Yes, when we read the story Nervous Mohit, I will think of these 3 things that are similar to me from the story. Like this we have to make the self connections from the story. Okay children, we are going to complete our today's part. You just make a revision, go through the revision for the unit. In each and every unit there is a heading revision for the unit. You just go through that page and then read practice under the headings given. You just make a practice from these pages and then you also practice the activities in your workbooks. It will help us to attend the exam very easily. Okay children, you just go through all these 3 things in your workbook and also in your SR book. We practice all these vocabulary words. And then in today's part we learnt about all the vocabulary words and also the concept time in SR book. In your SR book for the unit 5, 6, 7 and 8. Just read, practice all the stories for this unit 5, 6, 7 and 8 in your SR book. Read, practice each and every story as your own. You just read, practice the stories and also revise the vocabulary words that we have saw in our today's class. Okay cuties, now we are going to complete our today's session. You just make practice all these words today. It will help us to attend your UI exam. All of you take care See you in next class. Thank you.